Hey everyone. Today I'm not sure where we're at today, but we have a refrigerator right here, as you can see. Evaporator unit, unknown model. Can't really see it. But not too bad actually. Very nice. So there's three of them, as you can see. There. That's about it really. I hope you enjoy it. See you guys in the next episode. Bye.